kids come up to go to university, yeah? If you don't teach your kids the right way and lead them, yeah? How you think you can lead now? You can't lead nobody because nobody not like you. Yeah, because people say you murder your own pitting them and chastise them with mentally, emotionally, physically. We want to see college student and university student, dirty woman. You know anything about look after pitney? You think the pitney them big dirty food the way you put up when nasty and stink that I look after pitney? Dirty woman go be the nasty Puss. You forgot to Mr. Frank round at the back of the yard in the kitchen room, fucking room. You forgot about Mr. Frank? Nasty girl, Go do your face, man. You need to do your head. Chop off the two sides and the middle. Move your blood clot. Surgery, you see surgery mash you up. That's why the girl at Jamaica bury up your blood clot. The little slim brown body girl. The little half mixed China race little. Yeah, Puss, you're too nasty. Well, I say if you can retrieve a man, do the wash out your old challenge. I say if you can get anywhere, because me I tell you. Say you favor all zinc fence. You fear all nail. All rat backs. You not set no trend, Puss, because guess what? You know all of the icon them in England. Big up all of the big icon them in England. Baby Kerry. Yeah, baby icon. I that a kill Puss. All grasmite Puss. I that a killer. But yeah. But to your brown and to your kids brown. That's 18. Find a new line, Puss. Find a new line. Come see you have a next sister that were black and pretty in a blood clot. Find a new line. Let's carry on our pity them and find a new line. Go get lyrics gas studio, you dumb bitch. Go ahead. Grasmite Puss. And the chuck bottom Puss. All Leland blood clot, all box. Ties in the kids. The kids at the park. The kids have good behavior, manners. I show kids at work over with you and all these things. Nobody don't want to see that. That's abusing to other kids. Show some decency with your kids. Good picture, beard and clean, and I take life. Family picture, family video. Go away, you nasty people. Go away. Go away. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, man. Go and get a life. Get a man. Set up the man challenge, I said. Get a life. Grasmite. Tony Mataran say a grasmite. Yeah. Old bullfrog. Stone road wet rag. Can't sudden disgrace. Like about you, I gonna tell people one man me have a 3 pitney half for the man. The rest are pitney them and for the dead man them. You have one baby father you mad him. You and him used to take whatever you mad him. And you kill 2 of them and you have me ball up belly them where you dash way. Yeah? So you can't talk to nobody, so you know how you count that as fucky. You can't chat to nobody. More the school challenge like the people them going to school from preschool to secondary to high school to college to university. Puss, you're so dirty. Look at the dirty things you're doing to your kids over there in England. You're so dirty. Yeah, you need to get Madonna makeover. Madonna, you fi spend the money on Madonna because you don't see her mash her up already. She need a body lift. Stop selling Madonna to the highest bidder. Can you see them dancehall boy? Yeah? Them say Madonna no steer right. Them been talking these things. It be a barber shop. Can it reach you so down a Jamaica in the ear just in parlor. It they everywhere. No man no want you. Them no